Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gwen in Wild Rift. Gwen is a unique AP fighter who excels at sustained damage and dueling. Her kit allows for aggressive plays while also providing a safe zone with her hallowed mist. She scales incredibly well, becoming a formidable force in the late game. Understanding her abilities and how they synergize is key to dominating the battlefield and securing victories. Gwen's abilities are central to her unique playstyle. Her passive, 1,000 Cuts, deals bonus magic damage based on enemy maximum health, making her excellent against tanks. Snip Snip is your main damage source, dealing up to 7 snips. Hallowed Mist is crucial, making you untargetable by outside enemies for 5 seconds. Skip and Slash provides mobility and an attack speed boost, while Needlework offers powerful ranged damage and a slow. For itemization, Riftmaker is essential, offering sustained damage and Omnivamp, which is crucial for Gwen's survivability in extended fights. Gnasher's Tooth is another must-have, greatly increasing her attack speed and on-hit magic damage. Infinity Orb provides valuable magic penetration and critical strike chance. As for runes, Conqueror is perfect, granting adaptive force that stacks up to 10 times, making her even stronger in prolonged engagements. Spirit Visage also boosts her healing. In the early game, focus on farming and scaling, as Gwen becomes incredibly powerful later on. Use your Hallowed Mist strategically, both for defense against incoming damage and to zone out enemies. Look for opportunities to split push, drawing attention and creating pressure across the map. During team fights, aim to dive the enemy's backline carries using your Skip and Slash and Needlework. Remember to position yourself well to maximize your Snip Snip damage and stay safe within your mist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.